Hello everyone, welcome again. So today in this video we'll discuss how you can use short and filter command in MS Excel. In my last videos we have discussed how you can apply the formulas in MS Excel sheet. In today's video we will discuss how you can use the short and filter command in MS Excel. So let's start. First of all, I would like to discuss what is shorting. See, shorting is a feature in Excel that helps you to arrange the selected data either in ascending or descending order. Shorting basically क्या होता है कि when there is a number of data, suppose there is a lot of data in your Excel sheet and there is a name of, suppose आपके पास name of 50 students in an Excel sheet and you want to arrange that name in alphabetic order, so you can use the sorting features. Suppose आपके पास 50 नाम है एक Excel sheet में, आपको उस 50 नाम को alphabetic order में arrange करना है. So अगर आप उसको manually करते हैं तो it will take a lot of time, but to save your time already a feature is available in Excel that is called sorting. So sorting is a feature in Excel that help you to arrange the selected data either in ascending or a descending order. So let's see how you can use sorting in MS Excel. So already my sheet is ready here. So see, to use sort command, there's some data should be available on your sheet. So here is the name of some student. So I'm writing some more student name. You can write according to you. Suppose I'm writing Jayesh. I'm writing 2-3 more name and Kunal. Okay. Now I want to arrange all this name. Alphabetically. I want to arrange, because this is not arranged alphabetically, so I want to arrange all this name alphabetically. So I can use sorting feature here. Again, in this video we are discussing how we can apply sort feature or sorting feature in MS Excel. So to apply the sorting features on sheet or some data, the data should be available with you where you want to apply the sorting feature. So here is the name of some 10 to 50 students. I want to arrange all this name of students in alphabetic order. I want to arrange from A to Z. आप सभी को पता होगा alphabetic order क्या होता है. So how I can do that? First you have to select all the names. I want to arrange all this name in alphabetic sequence, so I will select all this name. I selected like this, and here is a short. Here is the option short. Click on this option. So they will ask you, the computer will ask you or in a pop-up window you will see the option which column you want to sort. So this is the column name of this column where the name of all the student is written is D. So I want to sort the column D. So here he is asking how you want to arrange. आपको कैसे arrange करना है? You want to arrange A to Z or Z to A. When you will select A to Z, so the name of student whose name start from A, that name will appear on the first cell. After that you will see the name of the other student. And if you will select Z to A, अगर आप Z to A select करते हो तो सबसे पहले उस student का नाम आता है जो Z से आता है, फिर Y से आता है. You know that. So I want to arrange this all the name alphabetically. So I am selecting A to Z. So see, once I will select A to Z, and when I will click on this OK button, you will see the name in alphabetic way. यहाँ पर A से कोई भी नाम start नहीं हो रहा है, B से नहीं हो रहा है, C से नहीं हो रहा है, S से डायरेक्ट हो रहा है, तो इसलिए S से आ गया. We'll do one thing. We will write some name from A also, Ayush, and we can write some name also from D also, like Durgesh. Now again arrange all this name. I'm selecting all this name and I'm clicking on the short option. The name is written in the column D and I am already A to Z is selected here, so I can select A to Z, and when you will press OK button to see all the names computer has arranged in alphabetic order. Same way if you want to arrange from a Z to A, means आपको descending order में arrange करना है, so you can also do that. आप कैसे कर सकते हो उसको? Click on a short button and select it Z to A. तो पहले Z से नाम आ जाएगा. Here is already a shortcut key. आपको यहाँ जाने की जरूरत नहीं है बार बार. You can select from A to Z. You can click here also. You can click here also. When you want to arrange A to Z, you can click here. When you want to arrange Z to A, you can click here. Same way you can arrange number also. Suppose मैंने कुछ यहाँ पे number लिख देता हूँ. Now you want to arrange all this number in ascending order. So you can do it easily with the sorting feature. Just select all this number and click on this A to Z. So when you will click on this A to Z, all the numbers the system has arranged, the Excel has arranged in ascending order. If you want to arrange in a descending order, you can click on this. So this is called sorting. As we discussed, sorting is a feature in Excel that help you to arrange, you can write here, that help you to arrange the selected data either in ascending or descending order. Same way, let's discuss what is filter. Filter क्या होता है? Listen, filter is a feature used for extracting particular data using some conditions. Filter is a feature used for extracting particular data using some condition. मतलब filter क्या होता है? देखिए, if you will talk about, अगर हम जनरल लाइफ में बात करें कि फिल्टर क्या होता है, सपोज हमारे पास कुछ कचरा है पानी में, तो हम उस कचरे वाले पानी को कैसे फिल्टर करते हैं? हम जो भी हमारी चन्नी होती है उससे फिल्टर करते हैं, तो उससे क्या हो जाता है, कचरा बाहर रह जाता है और हमारे पास साफ पानी आ जाता है. सेम वे व्हाट इज फिल्टर? फिल्टर इज व्हाट, suppose you have a lots of data and you want to a particular data जो सिर्फ आपके काम का है, आपको सिर्फ वही देखना है, आपको सारा डेटा नहीं देखना है. So you can use filter command in that condition. See, suppose again sheet is ready here, मेरे पास एक sheet ready है. Now here is the marks of all the student, here is the grade. Now I want to see the grade of only those student, मुझे उन students के grade देखना है जिनको सिर्फ grade A है. So अभी तो मेरे पास ओनली 30 स्टूडेंट है. अगर सपोज आई कैन इजिली कैलकुलेट फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो कि सर ए यहाँ पर है, बट सपोज यू हैव द डेटा ऑफ 1000 स्टूडेंट. एक स्कूल में बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, 50 स्टूडेंट्स. सो इन दैट कंडीशन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट कि विच स्टूडेंट्स हैज गॉट ए ग्रेड, which student has got B grade. So what you can do that you can apply filter command. So आप फिल्टर कमांड जब अप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको इजीली सिर्फ एक क्लिक में पता चल जाएगा कि कितने बच्चों को A ग्रेड है, कितने बच्चों को B है, कितने बच्चों को C है. So how you can apply filter command here? See, don't go on a data, just see how you can apply the filter command, है ना? So I selected this all data because I have to apply filter command on all this data, and I'm clicking here on this filter option. ये देखिए आप, इस तरह से चन्नी का ऑप्शन है, filter command. So when you will click on this filter command, you will see the arrow will appear this kind of arrow will appear automatically on your data. Again, Control Z, जब आपको undo करना होता है, command back करना होता है, तो you can press Control Z, undo command. Again, I'm selecting all this entire data, and I'm clicking on this filter option. So once you will click on this filter option, you will see this kind of arrow will appear. देखिए एरो आ गए. अब आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. सपोज आपको उन बच्चों के मार्क्स, उन बच्चों के ग्रेड, उन बच्चों के नाम देखना है जिनको ए ग्रेड है. तो आप क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से आपको सिर्फ सिलेक्ट करना है. देखिए जब आप व्हेन यू विल क्लिक हियर यू विल सी ऑल ऑप्शंस आर टिक्ड, बट आपको सिर्फ उन बच्चों के नाम देखना है जिनको ए ग्रेड है. तो यू कैन क्लिक हियर ए, एंड व्हेन यू विल प्रेस ऑन ओके बटन, तो यू विल सी द नेम ऑफ ऑल दोस स्टूडेंट्स जिनको ए ग्रेड है. Again, if you want to see the name of all those students who have B grade, या जिनको B grade मिला है, so you can click again here and you can click on a B. So you will see all those students who has a B grade in the exam. Same way, if you want to see the name of all the students जिनको C grade मिले exam में, so you can click here. See, there are two students, Manav and Zoya, who have got C grade, जिनको C grade मिले. Same way, if you want to see the A and B grade student, हमें सिर्फ A and B grade students के नाम देखना है, तो you can click on A and B and you can press here OK. So you will see the name of all the students who has A and B grade. So like this you can filter, you can use filter command. So that's why the definition of filter command is what? Filter is a feature used for extracting particular data using some condition. जब आपको बहुत एक large amount data में से सिर्फ वो data चाहिए जो सिर्फ आप काम का है, so in that condition you can use filter command. Again, if you want to see the name of all the students, तो you can simply click on select all. अब there is one more thing. Suppose you want to see the name of all those students जिनको English में 40 plus marks है. So how you can do that? You can do that simply from here also. पहले तो आप इन सबको uncheck कर दीजिए. Now you want to see the name of all the students who has 40 plus marks. So simply 40 के बाद you can select 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. बाकी सारे जो है below all those बाकी सारे below 40 हैं. So you can click 40 to 45, above 40 marks. When you will click on OK, तो you will see the name of all the students जिनको English में 40 plus marks है. Again, when you will click on the select all, so you will see the name of all the students. Same way, if you want to see the name of students who has a total marks below 100, जिनकी total marks below 100 है, तो how you can do that? You can select all. आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे आपको उन बच्चों के नाम चाहिए जिनकी जो मार्क्स है बिलो 100 है. So you can see here is 98 and 94. When you will click on this, so you will see there are two students, Rajat and Joya, जिनके marks below 100. So like this you can use the filter command. Filter command is very easy. Sorting is also, both command are easy. Sorting means to arrange data in ascending or descending order. Again, go back for a quick revision. Sorting is a feature in Excel that help you to arrange the selected data either in ascending or descending order, as I have already explained you. And filter is a feature used for extracting particular data using some condition. Dear student, this topic is very important. ये practical में भी आता है, एग्जाम में डेफिनेशंस भी लिखने को आती है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए शॉर्टिंग क्या होता है, फिल्टर क्या होता है. बोथ कमांड आर वेरी इजी, यू कैन इजीली अप्लाई ऑन एक्सेल शीट. यू कैन डू द प्रैक्टिकल ऑल्सो. इसका प्रैक्टिकल भी बहुत इजी है. सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन राइट in the comment box, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much. In next video I will bring some more topics, so wait for my next video. Thank you.